Imagine stepping into a futuristic gaming arena, surrounded by an endless expanse of cutting-edge technology, where every second counts and the stakes are higher than ever. The competition is fierce and the stakes are high, but with the perfect gear by your side, you can rise above the rest. That's exactly where the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC desktop comes in. Equipped with the powerhouse AMD Ryzen 9700X and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T 16GB GDDR7. This beast of a machine is poised to shatter the boundaries of what's possible. For years, gamers have struggled to find that perfect balance between performance, portability, and user-friendly ease of use. Most gaming PCs are either unwieldy behemoths that require an entire room to house or underpowered, lackluster experiences that leave players yearning for more. What we really needed was a gaming PC that seamlessly blended power, style, and practicality into a single all-encompassing package. Enter the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC desktop, an elegantly designed solution engineered in the USA with a no-nonsense attitude and a rock-solid commitment to quality. When first unboxing the MEK, it quickly becomes apparent that this is more than just your run-of-the-mill gaming PC. This is a meticulously crafted statement piece engineered to turn heads and leave the competition scrambling to keep up. With an emphasis on clean lines, understated sophistication, and cutting-edge materials, the MEK is every bit as visually stunning as it is technically impressive. Upon initial examination, you can't help but admire the meticulous attention to detail that has clearly gone into crafting this machine, with every cable carefully routed and secured to prevent tangles and obfuscate the inner workings. But beneath its stunning facade lies an entirely different story. Let's take a closer look at what sets the ZOTAC MEK apart from its competitors. One of the standout features is, without question, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5070T 16GB GDDR7. This behemoth represents the apex of NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, delivering unparalleled 4K gaming experiences, 1440p mastery, and silky smooth 1080p gaming as if by magic. At the heart of the RTX 5070T lies a host of innovative technologies designed to revolutionize the way we experience gaming. Take DLSS 4, for example, which boasts multi-frame generation, an AI-driven powerhouse capable of rendering more frames than ever before, providing the silky smooth experiences that even the most ardent gamers demand. Another major aspect of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti's arsenal is real-time ray tracing. For years now, this highly regarded technology has captured the hearts and imaginations of gamers worldwide with its stunning visual accuracy, painting intricate lighting environments that leave even the most seasoned veterans awestruck. This not only provides an unparalleled glimpse into the digital world, but makes games look and feel more realistic and interactive than ever. Now, let's talk about some real-world testing. To get a true sense of the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC desktop's prowess, we decided to put it through a series of grueling gaming sessions with some of the latest titles to hit the market. From the sweeping vistas of Assassin's Creed, Valhalla to the breakneck thrills of Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, the MEK rose to every challenge, deftly juggling demanding pixel counts and resolutions with a precision that left our team beaming with satisfaction. However, the MEK is not all sunshine and roses. As much as we adore its sleek looks and razor-sharp performance, there are a few minor caveats to keep in mind. Firstly, the MEK's 16GB of DDR5 RAM is a tad underwhelming for users accustomed to larger allocations, but in practice, this rarely poses an issue for the more popular titles. On balance, we can say that while minor, these downsides hardly detract from the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC desktop's overall impact and allure. In terms of sheer gaming prowess and style, this unit is an undeniable standout. It effortlessly navigates even the most punishing pixel counts with the same smooth, responsive fluidity you've come to expect from the finest gaming setups. Of course, no review would be complete without taking into account the MEK's place in the broader competitive landscape. With the likes of HP Omen and Alienware dominating the scene, you might be wondering how the MEK stacks up against its peers. While there are some compelling alternatives, the ZOTAC MEK consistently outperforms and betters the competition in multiple areas, all while boasting an impressive 1-year complete system warranty, a 3-year GPU warranty, all without registration. This unbeatable support package puts users at ease, free to fully indulge in whatever pixel-packed exploits come their way. So what's the verdict? If you're in the market for that elusive sweet spot between form and function, style and substance, the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC desktop stands at the very pinnacle. This is an exceptional piece of hardware that sets an unbeatably high bar for performance and gaming quality. In short, our verdict is clear. This is a no-brainer, an investment that will be cherished by every PC enthusiast and gamer, no matter the budget.